And the one thing that really stands out to Cam and I is the pressure drop from 999 to 995. Wind has come up 5 miles an hour. Cam, so this looks like it's the beginning of what is likely to be some rapid intensification.
Yeah, but this is not a surprise to us because we've been talking about, we were looking at the satellite imagery earlier. We could definitely see that well-defined circulation, and you can see that shear, it's overcoming it. It was struggling earlier this afternoon, but look at this. The convection is getting a lot better organized.
Getting bigger too.
Yes, it's also, that wind field is pretty expansive.
All right, so there's your storm there. We just put the measurement across, about 550 miles. The deepest thunderstorms there on the eastern side, but trying to wrap around now, and I think that's going to be happening here very quickly as we move through time. Again, latest intensity forecast, Cat 3, as we get you into Thursday morning, and then the afternoon. We could see this thing really ramp up on approach there to the Big Bend. The actual position of the cone has not changed. It's the intensity that's the one thing that we're going to continue to watch, and all of the models are pretty much in line with that latest cone from the National Hurricane Center. So as we take a look down at the intensity forecast for Helene, there's a look now. You can see many of them strong Cat 2 into the Cat 3 range there, especially peaking during the late afternoon there on Thursday. Now, it takes time for the changes in the watches and the warnings to move into the system. We don't have them yet. But as soon as we do get them, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get into our weather computers, we might see some warnings down to the south, maybe as far north as the Tampa Bay area. But for now, we're going to go with the tropical storm watches inland and then hurricane watches there on into western Marion County. That'll be one of the first things we have to watch. So putting it all together here for you, Wednesday, we've got an impact day, but then as we go on into Thursday, that's when things are really going to ramp up. The wind is going to increase. We got the flooding potential. We're going to be watching the winds and any severe weather risk with more on some of those impacts. Here's Cam.
So Tony talked about the winds. This system is pretty expansive, meaning the wind field actually extends out about 180 miles, especially from the center of the storm. So it's a pretty large system, or expected to be a large system. So in terms of wind impacts here, even though it is expected to make landfall in the Big Bend region of Florida, we could definitely still see tropical storm, even hurricane force winds in parts of central Florida. So in terms of the wind gusts, we're expecting mostly tropical storm strength winds here in the Orlando metro, wind gusts of over 50 miles per hour, and out towards the east, more towards our coastal communities, winds of over 40 miles per hour, but easily winds of 60 miles per hour, gusting over 60 miles per hour for areas out north and west. And of course, that brings the potential for some power outages, which could be widespread, especially across the Big Bend region. For us here at home, possible in the yellow category here for the Orlando metro, but that risk is much higher for our northwestern counties, including up in Marion as well as in Sumter counties. When will we see the worst of the weather from Helene? Well, it's going to start late Thursday morning for areas south and west, and then pretty much all of central Florida by Thursday afternoon. So definitely need to make your preps now. Here's a look at the timeline. So the storm was fighting shear, but it's getting organized. That's why it was upgraded with stronger winds and also lower pressure. Strengthens into a hurricane and gusty downpours for us tomorrow. It's going to be a Cat 1 hurricane tomorrow. And then by Thursday, that's when we'll see the worst of the weather arriving. In fact, we'll show you some of the impacts, more of the impacts that we're expected to see here in central Florida, and dive more on the path that was just updated here with the 5 o'clock advisory coming up in about 15 minutes.
All right, see you then.